Good morning, Hangout Gang. Crypto Crane here. Time is 5:54 a.m. 6:14 on this Wednesday morning. Bitcoin is at $25,952, and it's chopping. It's still in that downward trend line, in the smaller downward trend line, inside of the larger downward trend line. All right, this is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, that 21 is going sideways and it's pushing the price action sideways as well. You see the 21 has not came up above the 25,900, and neither has the price of Bitcoin. As you can see, you have one touch, you have a breakthrough, fall back down, two touches, right? So that 25,900 has become a major resistance mark, major price ceiling for Bitcoin. All right, now let's go look at the daily chart. And as you can see on the daily chart, it's pushing up against that price ceiling right there, still in that smaller downward descending trend line right there. RSI is of 41, just under halfway. It needs to fall down to that 35, 32 mark for the reversal. MACD is a lot of selling pressure coming into Bitcoin. Okay, so I suspect it should fall down a little bit. Let's look at the hourly to see what's going on. Let's see here. And it is chopping right along that 29,500 mark. Okay, I mean 25,900 mark. You can see that 21 is doing a little bit of a cross right here on the 50, and you had a run up and then it came back down. So it's going to chop around here. I thought it was going to range in between these two. It still possibly could do that sometime today or this week. But if you have a breakout above this 25,000 to 26,000, it needs to break above this trend line. Okay, and it needs to hold above this trend line. If it doesn't, you have a flash, just like what you see right here, and it roll back over, back down. Okay. Now, if it does do that, it doesn't break above this right here and it hits this trend line again, it'll chop right here and it could possibly roll back down towards the 25,300 mark if it does not break through that barrier right here. Okay. Now, even if it does, keep in mind you have another descending trend line that you are inside of, which is right here and right here, that it needs to break out of before we can even be bullish or even think about being bullish. Okay, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's see what's going on with that. As you can see, the money is flowing into Bitcoin. You had 21 crossover the 200 and 50, 80, and 100, and you saw the money starting to flow into Bitcoin. It's still flowing into Bitcoin as it is going sideways, doing a little bit of a have a little bit of a cross. This is the hour chart for the Bitcoin dominance, and it's starting to come down. So you might see a little bit of money flowing out of Bitcoin here within the next hour or two, and etc. So the 4-hour chart for the Bitcoin dominance right here, as you can see, 4-hour chart looks good. 4-hour chart is bullish, has the 21 crossing the 50, the 200, and a golden cross. And you have a little bit pullback that came back and touched this the bottom of this upward trend line right here, and then I suspect you have a bounce and then it continue to go upwards. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Keep that in mind. So I think the hour chart's not looking too good. 4-hour chart is looking great. This is the daily. Daily is moving sideways again. Come up here, touching that bottom of the upward trend line, and we probably will get a bounce, depending on the volume. Now you had a lot of selling pressure right here, so it came back down. As you can see, RSI is oversold, and then it will come back down. It needs to come down between 32 to have a reversal, so it may fall back down here to that bottom trend line right here, back down here to the 48.85 on that. You may see a little bit of money flowing out of Bitcoin because it's overbought. and as well as the MACD, you see a lot of selling volume, buying pressure coming into Bitcoin. Okay, now let's look at the total market cap and see what that chart looks like. Keep in mind, we don't guess, we don't assume, we just trade the charts. We look at the charts and we trade the charts. That is how you win. Guessing is how you lose. Predicting is how you lose. Okay, looking at the charts and trading the charts is exactly how you win. And here in alt market cap, as you can see, 21 hit that 50 and went down in a death cross, and it's now about to cross over that 200. If that 21 crosses over that 200, then you're going to see a death spiral for alts. You're going to see price action fall down and stay down. It's going to fall down hard and heavy. Altcoins, 21 needs to stay above the 200. As that price action fell below the 200 too. So altcoins are going to bleed. They're going to continue to bleed, and it will be a good opportunity to pick some altcoins up, some of your favorite altcoins, as they will continue to bleed the rest of this week as their price came down to below the 200. And you have here the Bitcoin dominance chart, where you have the dominance. Look how much higher above the 200 the price action is. Okay. So altcoins will bleed, they continue to fall down some more and get smashed, while Bitcoin has the potential to take off as the money is flowing into Bitcoin. Smart money is flowing into Bitcoin. So let's look at the crypto bubbles just to see if what we saw in the charts is showing true. Okay, so you have well, while that goes up, wait on that to load. We will. Well, sorry about that. Hangout game. I've been doing a lot of work this morning. Computer is like, I need a break. I need a rest. I need some more memory. All right, there we go. It's gonna give us the crypto bubbles. Let's go. There we go. Content is loading. Let's see what they say on show us on the crypto bubbles. While we wait for that, we'll go look at Solana real quick. And Solana was down 14 something dollars last night. Looks like it came. That's the daily. Okay, you see a little bit of green on the daily. Solana hourly chart came down to 1477 last night, and it is chopping sideways, moving sideways. It's still in this little channel as well. Now it's coming to the top of that channel, coming close to the top of the channel, of the downward channel. So we shall see exactly what so we shall see. It's in that downward channel. It had the smaller channel that broke out, came back up, and now it's chopping right here, as you can see. Solana is the NFTs, has the hottest NFTs along with Polygon Matic, and so and Ethereum. So I like to buy NFTs on that. But as you can see, you had the head and shoulders, and you had the price action fall down. You had the death cross right here on the 21. Boom, that was the hourly chart. The daily. Yeah, all that red. Now you have a little bit of green, but it's still in that December trial. So let's look at the crypto bubbles and see what this says. So you have a little bit of green, not a lot of percentage, just 0.4 point percentage rises. The largest being KAS 2.7%. Behind it, CFX at 1.4%, Mina at 1%. And that's about it. The rest of it is very, very, very minimal gains, and it's red. Okay, so Crypto Cray here, daily technical analysis. If you like the content I provide, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget we're giving away $50 worth of Bitcoin every week to a random video to a random commenter. All you have to do is like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, or dislike the video. Share it with your friends. We're trying to grow the channel and spread the word. Till the next video. Peace.